Good morning, it's Mrs. McCumbee here with your Week 6, Theme 6 music assignment. As usual, click on your Google Apps button, also known as the waffle, and go to your classroom. You should be getting to the point that you do not need these screencasts. I'm thinking this might be the last one. So you open up your resource sheet. Again, I like to right-click on it so I can open it in a new tab. I put a bunch of pictures in there. Sorry if I embarrass anyone, but you know, I had a lot of blank space. My favorite is, of course, this one of Trent from last year trying to keep his mouth quiet for more than 5 seconds, which is quite a challenge for him. The main thing that switched for this week's lesson is you really need to do this grab bag one first. So I made this the required and I got rid of the history assignment for this week. Didn't particularly like what had been done by my colleagues. The videos are really great, especially this one by Mrs. Volk. It's got some really laughable moments in there. A little reference to Harry Potter. You're really going to want to do this first because they both explain what timbre is, not timbre, not timbre. And then you would go back into your classroom and complete the grab bag, which is required. Okay. So, multiple choice on this one. Back to your resource sheet. Once you do grab bag one, you would do your vocabulary, read over the definitions, go back into your classroom, open your vocabulary. Also multiple choice. And then you have choice 1, did you know, and choice 2, grab bag. Both of these are pretty awesome. They're both easy. You'll watch a little Jimmy Fallon in the Roots video for your choice 1, did you know? And you go here. Multiple choice. This is drop down, okay? And then your last one is the hand washing 101 video. And then back in your classroom, grab 2. Also multiple choice. After last week with the fill in the blanks, and I had a decent amount of you mention to me that you had the correct answer, but you didn't either spell it right, or you put a comma where I didn't need it, or you didn't capitalize. And I did try and come up with all the answers. I just figured that multiple choice would be easier for you guys this week. That is all I have. Enjoy all of our photos up here. I hope you guys are staying inside and staying dry on this dreary Monday morning, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.